Welcome back. Today we are going to make a story of a princess and a frog. So here I'm gonna select princess in the people. So its size is a little bigger. Let's make it a little smaller. Yeah, 70 or maybe 80. That's good. Now I will select a backdrop. I think the castle is much better for the princess. Okay, that's good. It looks beautiful. Now I'm going to select another sprite for the princess. I made the size little smaller again. So here I will go to the people, or maybe animals is better. So I will select the animal and I will select this little frog. Good. So it's bigger in size. I'm gonna make it smaller. Yeah, it's 50 is better. So now as I have selected sprites and the backdrop, now I'm gonna make conversation between them so they may look like a story or maybe they are talking to each other. So I will select the when green flag is clicked, the frog will say something for 2 seconds. I will edit the text between them. So here the frog will say something to the princess. Okay, let's write something here. The frog will say, "Hello, princess," or "Hi, princess, how are you?" And he will wait for 2 seconds and the message will get displayed for 2 seconds there. Now let's go back to the princess, and when the event is clicked, when the game starts, the princess will say something too. But for that, we will wait too. Okay, then the princess will say, "Hello, frog, I'm good. How about you?" Let's edit it. Yeah. Actually, this is a kind of story or animation that we are making. We can make advanced level stories as well, but this is for the beginners. Okay, good. Now here's a problem that both talk at the same time. So we will make the princess wait for 2 seconds so the conversation may look real, so that when the frogs stop talking, the princess should give reply later then. Now let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's working. That's good. That's a good sign. Good. Now let's make the conversation more. So the frog will wait for 2 seconds, not 1 second, because in the previous conversation we had written it 2 seconds. So now the frog will talk further. Now the frog is going to reply that, "Hi, I am good, princess." And then the princess will again wait for 2 seconds, not 2 seconds. Okay, now the princess is gonna say something more. Okay, so now the princess is going to make the conversation more. She is gonna say, "Good, that's really good. You can write anything else if you want to." And she's gonna ask the frog that if he is getting bored and he wants to go to the forest, because the princess is going to visit the forest. Okay, good. Now let's see. Yeah, it's working. So for that we need, okay, let's let them finish the conversation. Good. Good. Okay. Everything is going smooth. There's a good sign. So now we should go to the forest. So before we go to the forest, the frog is going to reply again, as he is a very talkative one frog. Huh, just kidding. Okay, so he's gonna wait for 2 seconds and he's gonna reply that, "Yeah, I wanna go too." Or anything you can write here to make the conversation a little longer and make it like it looks like animation or any cartoon or any movie clip. Good. So he's ready. He wants to go too. Okay. The conversation is taking place. That's good. Okay, it's all done. Now what? Now the princess and the frog wants to go to the forest in real. So we have to go to this backdrop and we have to select the forest backdrop there. Yeah, this one. So the backdrop has changed, but we don't want this forever. In the start, we want to have the castle backdrop and then it should switch back. So here we are going to select, yeah, here we're going to select the switched back. So when the frog stops talking and he's done with talking, so then we will switch this backdrop to the forest. And then we are going to make the first backdrop as the castle. So when the game is clicked and it starts, the backdrop should switch to the, yeah, to the castle. That's good. Let's check if it's working. Okay, the conversation has started. They both are talking to each other. Good. And when the frog has the last reply, the backdrop will suddenly change. Good. That's good. Everything is working. But we should add something more. Yeah. So here we need another sprite that should appear when the backdrop has changed to the forest to make a new scene. So here we will select a butterfly. The butterfly is a little in bigger size, so we have to make it smaller so it may look real one. So here is a key button that will show and hide the butterfly. Let's check it if it's working. When we select the hide, the butterfly will get hide. When we select show, the butterfly will be shown. So here we have hidden the butterfly when it's the backdrop is castle, and we have shown the butterfly when the backdrop is forest. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, they're making conversation again. The story is really interesting. Yeah, good. The butterfly has only shown when the backdrop was forest. Good. So here we selected the broadcast message. We want when the frog is done talking. So when he's done talking, the butterfly will start talking. So there we selected a broadcast message and we made that a broadcast message. So whenever the butterfly receives the broadcast message of the frog, the butterfly will start talking there. Good. Let's see what's happening now. This is the end. Hi, princess. How are you? Hello, frog. I'm good. I'm fine, princess. That's really great. Do you want to go to the forest? Yeah, sure. I want to go too. Welcome, princess. Thank you.